Dangal greetings, I'm Benjamin G. Alvarado III at ipapaliwanag ko po sa inyo ang case scenario at maging dapat na features sa aming group project. Sa ating case scenario, gagawa tayo ng Smart City Emergency Response Management System na Java-based application na tumutulong para utusan yung mga emergency operations like sa pang-apoy, bumbero, medical, ambulansya, at kapulisan sa nakapaloob sa Smart City. The system will make use of custom-built data structures, binary search tree, graph, and map to efficiently manage and visualize emergency situations and response operations. Yan. At punta naman tayo sa mga features. Yan. Feature number 1, emergency case management. Dito tayo nakapag-register, store, at nakapag-prioritize ng emergencies base sa severity o kaya timestamp. Feature number 2, city road network modeling. Represents roads and intersections with distance-based connections. Yan. Unit and resource allocation. Manage emergency units and their statuses. Kung tinutukoy dito kung available ba sila o kaya naka-deploy sa isang lugar o kaya naman busy at the meantime. Dispatch optimization. Determine optimal response using integrated BSA priority, graph for pathfinding, and map for unit availability. Text-based visualization. Display the city network and active routes using ASCII or Structured Console Diagrams. So, makikita nyo po yan sa mga kagrupo po natin na nag-record po nung sample output. O kaya makikita nyo po dyan sa paper natin. Feature number 6, emergency simulation mode. Automatically simulate multiple emergency events and dispatches sequentially. And for number 7, summary reporting. Generate and display live summaries. Example, number of active emergencies, units dispatch, average response time. At dito na po natatapos ang ating presentation. Maraming salamat.